You might have asked yourself, what does the plus stand for in P7 Plus? First of all, more space. It has more headroom, more legroom, more cargo space, and it also wants to be more tech. This car obviously will feature more technologies, and at the same time it wants to be more sporty. When it comes to the construction of the car, we quickly came up with this idea of having an encapsulated spaceship that we embodied here with this very iconic cabin that is clearly separated from the body. All this obviously always in line with our design philosophy, which is to always find the right balance between art and technology, emotional and rational.